Hey everybody, I want to share with y'all how to customize the mapping on your Lowrance HDS Pro or HDS Live units to really help you find fish better and navigate the water that you're on better. It's surprised me just talking around and sharing this with some other people, just in conversation with anglers, how many people actually have this feature and don't know that it's there. So I want to make sure that we get y'all all caught up so you can use this awesome feature with Lowrance. So as we swap the camera, here I have just the chart page pulled up, and this is the lower end of Pickwick. You can see this is just basic CMAP onboard mapping with no shading. So I've got the river channel, I've got depth contour lines, but they're all basically the same color, that some version of a light blue, so nothing really stands out. Now if I go to menu and I go down to more options, this is on the chart page, and then so first we make sure right here, chart source is CMAP on board. Make sure it's not an avionics or any other external mapping card that you may have in the unit. So our chart source is CMAP on board. Then I'm going to go to chart options. I'm going to scroll down to shading. And now we have depth 1, depth 2, and custom. So depth 1 is something that I've customized for what I like on Pickwick. And there it is. So there you have the shallower highlights and red and just brighter colors. Still have the original river channel out here in the dark blue. It fades into orange and yellow and green for deeper depths. So that right there is what I like to run on Pickwick and lakes like that, where I'm targeting fish in that same depth range, especially places with navigational hazards like high spots out near the navigation channel and things of that nature. Now I will show you, I also have a deeper depth option for lakes that I go to that maybe I'm focusing in a much deeper depth range, like some places up north for smallmouth, or some upland lakes for spotted bass and things of that nature. So that's a different depth palette that's not going to highlight the shallow areas as much, but it's going to help highlight those deeper areas that Pickwick really can't even show you because it doesn't have that tremendously deep water. So another cool feature that I want to show you real quick is, we take depth 1 off. You can customize depth 1 and depth 2, which depth 1 I've made some customization to, and there you can see what I had set for depth 2. It's, it highlights even 160 foot, but depth 1, this is how you're going to actually adjust that to your liking. So I have 0 to 5, I have the red. From 5 to 10, I have the orange. And then at 10 to 20, I have the yellow. 20 to 40, I have the green. And you can always adjust that by, say, if I want that to be 30 feet instead of 40, I'm just going to plug in 30. At 30, it's going to transition to the white. We see there 20, 30, and you can do that for each category. And just remember that those brighter colors are going to fade. They're going to transition in a different way than darker colors would when you're doing your shading. So like red to orange shows a good transition. If that was red to blue, it would show something totally different. So I like to kind of work my way down the color scale. But that right there is an example of how to highlight your mapping on your Lowrance unit with CMAP onboard mapping and depth shading to help you navigate the fishery better, and also to help you find fish. Thank y'all.